What if you could create Hollywood-style cinematic videos in minutes, with zero editing, zero cameras, and 100% AI power? That's exactly what CineFX AI does, and today, I'm showing you how I used it to make a full short film and even earn from it. Hey creators! Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I help you use AI tools to grow your digital business and create better content faster. In this video, we're going deep into CineFX AI. I'll show you how it works, what makes it different, real results, and whether it's worth your money. So, CineFX AI is an AI-powered video creation platform that turns your ideas or scripts into cinematic 3D-style videos, automatically. You can create content for YouTube, Reels, TikTok, or even paid ads, all in one place. No editing software, no rendering headaches, just AI magic. Think of it like having your own virtual film crew working 24/7, but powered by AI. Let me show you how simple it actually is. Step 1, log in and choose your video type, cinematic, product promo, explainer, etc. Step 2, type your idea or paste a script. Step 3, choose a style, sci-fi, realistic, modern, cinematic. Step 4, click generate. And boom! In under 2 minutes, it generates a complete cinematic video, ready to post. Here's the part you'll love. I made this short cinematic video, uploaded it to Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Within 24 hours, it got 18K views and a new client asked me to make a video for his product. I charged $250 for it. That's how powerful this tool is, not just for content creation, but for building income streams. Let's be honest, no AI tool is perfect. Here's what I found. Super fast cinematic rendering. No editing skills required. Perfect for Reels, Shorts, ads. AI handles lighting, transitions, sound. Affordable one-time payment. But overall, for beginners, marketers, and creators, CineFX AI is absolutely worth it. Want to make your CineFX videos go viral? Try this. Lightbulb use trending audio tracks from TikTok or Reels. Lightbulb add captions with AI subtitle tools. Lightbulb use engaging hooks in the first 3 seconds. Lightbulb post your videos daily to build momentum. I've tested dozens of AI video tools like Runway, Pika Labs, and Synthesia, but CineFX AI stands out because it gives cinematic realism and motion depth that most others can't. If you want storytelling power, this is the one. Here's the best part, CineFX AI currently has a special offer. You get lifetime access for a one-time payment, no monthly fees. I'll drop my exclusive link below, and if you use it, you'll also get my free AI video checklist to help you plan your first viral campaign. So, my honest review? CineFX AI is a must-have for creators in 2025. It's fast, cinematic, and gives you the creative edge to grow faster, whether you're a YouTuber, influencer, or marketer.
VEO3 that creates Hollywood-level 3D cinematic VFX videos, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and ad commercials in just a few clicks with zero skills or experience needed. Just upload your product, idea, or script, and CineFX AI transforms it into a jaw-dropping, studio-grade cinematic video that looks like it was produced by a professional film crew. With CineFX AI, you can create Hollywood-level 3D VFX videos and ad commercials, perfect for brand promos, product ads, local businesses, and client work. Generate viral social media reels and shorts that grab attention instantly. Write captivating scripts with built-in AI content writer. No need to write, AI creates high-converting scripts for ads, promos, and storytelling. Access 500 done-for-you video templates across multiple niches. Just pick a template, customize, export, done. Add studio-quality voiceovers with AI text-to-speech. Choose from a wide variety of natural-sounding voices. Edit images instantly with AI Image Editor. Refine and enhance videos with the built-in video editor. Find unlimited creative assets with searchable stock library, images, videos, vectors, all royalty-free for commercial use. All of this happens inside one simple dashboard, beginner-friendly and available globally. Whether you're a marketer, agency owner, e-com seller, influencer, YouTuber, freelancer, or entrepreneur, CineFX AI gives you everything you need to turn any idea or product into a Hollywood-grade cinematic promo. Create viral reels that boost followers, engagement, and brand authority. Make professional ads that convert like crazy. Sell 3D VFX videos and reels as a premium service for massive profits. Do it all without cameras, actors, green screens, or editors. Sell your cinematic AI videos for big money on Fiverr, VFX video ads, brand promos, Upwork, video editing and ad creation, YouTube and TikTok, monetize reels and shorts, Instagram and Facebook, brand deals and promotions, Etsy, animated posters and video ads, and many more. People are charging $300 to $2,000 per 3D VFX video, and CineFX AI lets you produce them in minutes. How it works? Just 3 simple steps. Log into CineFX AI. Choose your video style or template. Click Generate, and AI creates your cinematic video in seconds. That's it. No editing, no learning curve, no headache. Bonuses included for a limited time only. 500 plus DFY cinematic templates. Searchable stock library images, videos, vectors. Commercial license. Reseller rights included. Multi-language content creation. And much more. Warning: this changes everything. You no longer need videographers, editors, VFX artists, animation tools, expensive software. AI now creates blockbuster-style content for you at the click of a button. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to CineFX AI at a special one-time price before it switches to monthly, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. This is your chance to dominate the internet with Hollywood-level 3D cinematic content and turn views into followers, leads, and sales on autopilot. Click below to activate CineFX AI now and start creating jaw-dropping 3D cinematic VFX videos in minutes.
Click the first link below, try CineFX AI today, and comment CineFX Power once you've created your first video. And if you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.